Let me ask you something. Have you ever looked at the restaurant bill from 2016 and wondered if they were charging you for the air conditioning separately? Yes, they were charging service tax, VAT, luxury tax, entertainment tax. It was like the receipt had trust issues and they couldn't commit to just one type of tax. What if I told you in 2017 the Indian government basically said enough drama and replaced this tax soap opera with one type of tax? We call it as GST. Before discussing the GST part, I would like to explain first the taxes, the different types of taxes, and the difference in simple terms. Imagine you finally buy that gaming laptop you have been saving for months. You are feeling like a champion until boom. The bill shows 50,000, but you are paying 59,000 rupees. Where did that extra 9,000 coming from? So did the shopkeeper secretly added it? Well, welcome to the world of taxation, where the government is that friend who always expects you to split the bill, even when you only ordered a samosa. Today we are cracking the code on taxation basics, direct tax, indirect tax, the holy trinity that makes every student question their life choices. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you will understand taxes better than your uncle's WhatsApp knowledge. So, what exactly is taxation? Think of it as a subscription service to Team India. Except you can't cancel it. There is no free trial. The customer service is, well, let's not go there. Taxation is basically the government's way of collecting money from us to fund public services. Schools, hospitals, defense, and so many other public infrastructure related activities. Now here is where it gets interesting. The government doesn't just randomly grab money from your pocket like the pickpocketer at the bus stand. There is actually a method to this activity. All taxes fall into two categories. One is direct tax and indirect tax. Direct tax is like that straightforward friend who asks for money upfront. No beating around the bush and no hidden agenda. Just pure, honest, and financial pain. Income tax is the classic example. You earn 10 lakhs. Government says, congratulations, now give us our share. It's like having a business partner you never asked for. Suppose let us meet one of our friend Ramesh, who is a friendly neighborhood software engineer, who is earning 8 lakhs per annum. The government looks at Ramesh's salary slip and says, Ramesh beta, time to contribute to nation building. And just like that, a chunk of his salary disappears quickly. The beautiful thing about the direct tax is that you can't pass it on to someone else. It is like a bad haircut, you are stuck with it. And everyone knows it's yours. Direct tax basically mean the incidence and impact is on the same person. Incidence, the moment you earn the salary, the incidence, income tax arises. But the impact is on you only. Since you have earned it, you have to pay. Meaning, direct tax means incidence and impact is on the same person. Whereas indirect tax is the ninja of the tax world. You don't see it coming until it hits your wallet. It is like that friend who says, let's go home after you have ordered the expensive dish on the menu. Now, you remember that gaming laptop example? That extra 9,000 rupees was GST, the goods and services tax. The shopkeeper collects it from you, but guess what? He is just the middleman. The real beneficiary is our beloved government. Let us take an example The Cha and Samosa enterprise, which is run by entrepreneur Suresh uncle, who someone knows everyone's order by heart. Suresh sir or Suresh uncle faces both type of taxes like a true champion. Direct tax scenario, when Suresh uncle earns 5 lakh rupees profit annually, the income tax department says, Uncle ji, nation building mein contribute karo. So, and the result is uncle has to pay income tax directly from his pocket. Can he ask his customers to pay his income tax? No way. It is his income, he has to pay the income tax. Whereas the indirect tax scenario, and the Suresh uncle is adding 5% GST to that every samosa which he is selling. So basically your 10 rupees samosa becomes 10 rupees 50 paise. You think you are just paying 50 paise extra for extra crispiness? No. That 50 paise goes to straight to the government. So uncle collects tax from you. For the government, he is basically an unpaid tax collector with excellent chai making skills. So remember, direct tax, you pay, you suffer. You can't pass it on. Whereas indirect tax, you pay, but it was always meant for someone else. Both are certain. Like how Monday mornings and traffic jams. So here is the thing. Understanding taxes isn't just about passing your CA foundation. It is about becoming a financially aware citizen who won't get confused when buying that dream laptop. Remember folks, in the world of CA, taxes are like relatives. You might not always like them, but they are here to stay. So subscribe for more accounting adventures and continue watching our video. In our next session, we will be elaborately discussing on the GST, input tax, output tax, and the problems relating to the GST in the context of journal entries.